Adding audio to your courses. Let's go to courses. Let's choose a course, head straight into the curriculum, and inside here, under one of the lessons, we can add a audio track. So I'm going to add a lesson type here, and I'm just going to call it audio, and we're going to upload the audio straight into the track and then preview how it looks. I'm going to click save to that, and then I'm going to click the audio here, and we'll click that, and we'll click and find that file. So if you've already got it on your audio library, you can click in here and you can simply select it. If you need to upload it, you can just drag the files up here, or you can just select them. Now I have two types here. I have an MP3 and I have a WAV file. So both of these are accepted as audio formats. So we're just going to upload the MP3. I'm going to click open and it's going to load, and there it is there. And now we're going to just preview this. So I'm going to go in and we're going to go to the course curriculum. Remember, it is in other media, audio. I'm going to go into the course curriculum. And once we're inside here, we're going to open up this and go to the audio. And you're going to see that there's an audio sound bar. We can just click play. And there is our audio playing. So this is how you can add an audio track into Zenler really easily. Remember, I've used WAV, or you can use MP3 formats for audio.